Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add another language to your keyboard on iPhone. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your setting, click on setting and go down. Here we have general tab. Click on general tab and here choose keyboard. We have date and time, keyboard, font, language and dictionaries. So click on keyboard. On the top keyboard, click on that. At the moment I have 3 languages, which is English, German and Persian. And down, if you want to add your languages, so you can click on add new keyboard, and from here you can scroll down and find your language which you want to add, or you can search. For example, I'm going to add Chinese, or any languages you want, For example, I'm going to add not Chinese, I'm going to add Arabic. Click on Arabic. There are 2 kinds of Arabic. I'm going to click on that and done. As you can see, the Arabic language is available on the keyboard. That's how you can add different languages on your keyboard. Thank you guys for watching, and if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.